Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to clean your watch and search history on TikTok. Go TikTok application and click profile. Now click three lines at the top right of the screen and go to settings and privacy. Scroll down and click activities center. Now scroll and click watch history. Click select at the top right of the screen and check select all watch history. Click delete and click it again and it will clean your watch history. Now come back and go to search history. Click select all search history and delete all. And it's clean also. If this video was helpful, please like video and subscribe my channel.